Hey everyone, thanks very much for coming along. We had the pleasure last week of announcing the amazing competition to give away this very £1,300 gaming PC. The purpose of this video today is kind of just to give you another glimpse at the system that you have the chance of winning, and also to say a massive thank you to our sponsors, Master, Gigabyte, Aorus and HyperX. Without you guys, we would not be able to give away this PC. This competition wouldn't be here, so make sure you go and show them some love on their social media channels. I also wanted to kind of just go over the specs one more time. We've got a few people on social media asking exactly what is it you're going to win, and I've wrote them down because I didn't want to make a mistake. We've got an AMD Ryzen 5 1500X CPU. That's mounted in an Aorus AX370 Gaming K5 motherboard. We've got 16GB of HyperX RAM, a 480GB HyperX SSD. We've got a Core Master MasterLiquid ML120L liquid core. We've got the Gigabyte GTX 1050 Ti, that's the 4GB version GPU. It's all housed in the amazing Core Master H500P chassis. And we've also got the Core Master ML120 RGB gaming keyboard and mouse to give away as well. Thanks very much for coming along. Make sure you're entered into this competition. This is the first competition we've done like this, but it's been so popular, hopefully we'll get to do more. If you've got any questions about the PC, any questions about Utopia, or any questions about anything, feel free to get in touch. Put your comments below and I'll do my best to answer them personally. And it's also worth saying that this PC's went through all the stress testing and all the tender loving care that we give every single one of our systems. Full details of our full build process I'll also link in the details of this video below. So thanks very much for watching. Good luck to whoever the winner may be, and I'll see you in the next video.